right, today is day 49 of my 100-day experiment where all I'm eating is Keto Chow for all my meals every day. Well, that's it. Right, Steve?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, yeah, almost to the halfway point. I'll be hitting that tomorrow, so that'll be awesome. Steve is up here because we're moving Miriam's computer today. And then Steve is going to be the whipping boy who has to handle all the walk-ins. Right, Steve?
Yep.
Yep.
So you're on day 49?
Day 49.
As old as I am?
As old as you are, except in days. So, and I'm down, I looked this morning, I'm 25.4 pounds down since I started on January 2nd. And last night my blood ketones were only 1.9, which is still really high. Today they are at 2.3, which is also cool. It's not something to like work towards, I guess, but it indicates that what I am eating is very conducive to a ketogenic diet, without question. So all the haters that say you can't have sucralose, you can't have whey protein, you can't have liquid diets, you can't... I'm also drinking diet soda. I had a Coke Zero and a Diet Mountain Dew yesterday. And yeah, and most of my calories right now are coming from heavy cream. So at least in the human model that is me, those things do not cause any problems for a ketogenic diet. So anyway, let's see what else we got going on. I'm going to run over to the Riverton City offices today. When I was there weighing in last week for the weight loss challenge, it was the middle of the day. They were bored, so they started talking to me about how I was losing all my weight. And I told them that I was doing keto, and they're like, "Oh, okay, what's that?" And then we started talking about Keto Chow, and they're like, "Oh, you actually make that? You should bring some by to give to the other, so we can hand it out to the other participants when they weigh in." I'm like, "Oh, okay." So we're gonna drop that off today, and then I have to pick up chicken food because that's not random at all. Anyway, I'm going to try and see if I can get a bunch of recipes posted and lined up to be posted today, because we're doing our Facebook Live tonight. And we're going to, the plan is to have Taffney Eldenrod, dang it. We're going to have Taffney, Chef Taffney, how about that? She is one of the people that we have coming up with recipes for us. And she made some insane recipes this last time. So yeah, I'm going to see if I can get those up so that we can talk about them during the Facebook Live. And yeah. That's about it. So, okay. I guess I'll go. I will see you all on day 50. Yeah!